Now, you've probably heard many times before that practicing gratitude is the secret to happiness and abundance. But how can you feel gratitude when you're in life and it's falling apart? How can you feel thankful when you're all out of hope? Well, this is exactly what I'm going to reveal to you today, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Natalie Ledwell here, and if this is your first time here, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down there so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, I have a question for you today. Are you finally ready to start living in gratitude no matter what? Well, let's dive in. Because if you aren't familiar at all with my movies and the coaching work that I do, then you have probably heard me mention maybe a gazillion times about the idea of practicing gratitude. And it's not just being grateful at opportune moments. It's not about being grateful some of the time, but how to practice gratitude every single day of your life. Because you see, expressing gratitude and giving thanks for everything that you have, whether it's something huge or whether it's something small, it puts your mindset in a place where lack and scarcity have no room, and it shifts you into a mindset of abundance and of happiness. So really, it's all about learning to focus on what you do have, even if you don't have it right now, rather than worrying about what you don't have or what you don't want. Now, this might seem like a pretty simple practice, and believe me, a lot of people have discounted gratitude going, but that's too easy. But honestly, it's one of the most powerful things that you can do to help to shift your mindset and to really improve happiness overall in your entire life. Now, when I say gratitude, well, what exactly do I mean by that? Well, gratitude can be defined as the state of being grateful or a profound state of appreciation. Now, that definition may seem quite broad, but there's actually a lot that goes into practicing gratitude on a regular basis. In fact, there are a few easy things that you can do to feel grateful all year long that will yield amazing results and benefits in your life. For example, you can practice gratitude by, number one, saying thank you for everything. And I mean everything. This is a great place to start when you're really new to practicing gratitude. Just begin with saying thank you. Thank you for everything that comes your way. Whether it be the little things like your coffee in the morning, someone opening a door for you, or it could be big things like an amazing job opportunity that comes your way. Not only when you say thank you to everything does it make you feel really good in the moment, but it also opens you up to a flow of giving and receiving. And when you do this, it allows you to receive more good things into your life. The other thing that you want to say thank you to are compliments. How uncomfortable do you feel when someone's paying you a compliment? So if you can remember to say thank you for all of these things that are coming in, it really helps to get you into a vibration of gratitude. And when you make this a practice, a regular habit can really boost your energetic vibration. And it can make you more attractive to positive opportunities and experiences because you're resonating at that frequency. Okay, number two is really appreciating natural beauty. It's easy to take for granted the beauty that surrounds us all the time. Whether that's nature or it's a beautiful sunset. How many times have you left your home or your apartment to go outside and see the sunset? It could be something as simple like seeing a group of birds flying together. Another way to practice gratitude is just to simply take a moment and stop and look around you and really appreciate everything that's around you, both in its splendor and its simplicity. Now, this is a form of mindfulness, and this really allows you to fully drop into the present moment and really appreciate everything that you have. And then as you become more in tune with the beauty that's around you, it becomes easier to take your focus off what you don't have, or what's lacking, or what you're frustrated with, or what's wrong. And it actually puts your mind in the right place for this very moment. Okay, number three is meditation. Similarly to appreciating nature, practicing gratitude through meditation, it allows you to fully tune into the present moment and everything that you have to be thankful for. Now this could again be simple, include things like being grateful for your breath, being grateful for your body, being grateful for your soul and the awareness that you have, or the people that you have in your life, or simply just feeling gratitude for being alive. Meditation goes a step further and it allows you to focus on the bigger picture and envision what that is for you and what you want to manifest in your life. So by practicing gratitude on a regular basis, you are aligning your thoughts with what you really do want and what you want to create. And then again, you become open to attractive positive opportunities and positive experiences into your life because you're resonating at that frequency. All right, number 4 is to perform random acts of kindness, or any kind of acts of kindness. One of the best ways to feel gratitude on a very deep level is by performing acts of kindness for other people. Now, this doesn't have to be some huge, big, grand gesture, but it could be something simple as buying a cup of coffee for the person that's behind you in the Starbucks line, or complimenting a stranger's outfit, or just acknowledging someone's presence when you're in an elevator. By doing this, not only do you make the other person feel great, but you feel good too. And it also helps to raise the collective consciousness and the collective vibration by spreading more love and positivity. Now, as you continue to practice this type of giving, you'll notice it becomes easier to appreciate everything that you have in your life rather than focusing on what's lacking or what's going wrong. And after all, if you're always giving love and energy out into the world, there is no limit to what can be given back to you. Okay, number 5 is journaling. So you can practice gratitude simply by taking time to journal about the things that you're grateful for. Now this could be a morning practice, it could be a night practice, you could do it as a meditation, you could have your journal sitting on your bedside table and just pick that up as you're getting into bed and just write down a few things that you're grateful for that day, the things that went right for you. All the things I just mentioned, you can add them in there as well. What's important is that you focus on not just what you're grateful for, but why you're grateful for these things. And then by taking the time to really think about what that is, you truly do appreciate your why, and it can really help you get in touch with your deepest values and core desires. And as you continue to do this on a regular basis, you'll begin to even get a deeper sense of appreciation of everything that you are, everything that you do, and everything that you have in your life. And if this is the last thing that you're doing before you go to bed, your subconscious mind is mulling over all the positive and amazing things that you have going on. Your subconscious mind is gathering evidence that everything is going your way. And this really does help to influence your actions when you start to manifest the things that you want. Now, as you begin to practice gratitude more regularly, it really does become easier to keep the good vibes flowing and for you to attract positive experiences and positive people into your life. And this type of alignment is what really helps you to shift your perspective and really gives you the opportunity to see everything that's right in your life, rather than focusing on what's wrong or what's missing. So if you find yourself struggling with seeing the good these days, really seriously consider incorporating a gratitude practice into your daily routine and make a commitment to stick to it. And then watch how drastically things can change for the better for you. Now, before I go, I would love to hear from you. Do you have any tips that can help our community? How do you practice gratitude? Please share your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.